I recently had the great pleasure of visiting King's College, Cambridge to see the magnificent arrangement of medieval glass. Here are 10 things you need to know about the stained glass. The windows were commissioned by Henry VII and Henry VIII. These windows were part of a major push to complete the chapel after the War of the Roses. One of the largest surviving sets of medieval stained glass in the world, many comparable collections in Europe were destroyed by war or religious upheavals. The glass has miraculously survived the Reformation and the Civil War. As a precaution against potential damage from bombing during the Second World War, the chapel's valuable stained glass windows were removed. The glass was placed in storage, likely in the cellars of St. Catherine's College, to safeguard them from harm. After the war, the restoration process of the windows was a large undertaking, described as the world's biggest and most expensive jigsaw puzzle. The glass was made in the 15th century by Flemish and English craftsmen, some of the best in the world at that time. Each window has an incredible amount of detail, hidden elements such as Tudor roses, biblical figures, and even small depictions of the glassmakers themselves. Restoration work for the stained glass is ongoing, as it requires careful conservation and preservation to maintain its brilliance for centuries to come. The windows follow a theological structure and tell a complex story, arranged in a way that blends both political propaganda with religious devotion. The chapel's orientation enhances the light. The east-west alignment means that light passes through the glass throughout the day in different forms, rising in the east through the east window and setting at the west through the west end, illuminating the scenes in different ways throughout the course of the day. King's College Chapel is one of the most stunning examples of late Gothic architecture in England. The chapel was founded in 1446 by King Henry VI. He envisaged a grand chapel as part of his new college at Cambridge. Between 1455 and 1458, the War of the Roses halted construction. After Henry VI was deposed, the work slowed down. Between 1485 and 1509, building resumed under Henry VII. Between 1515 and 1531, more stained glass was installed under Henry VIII. The final phase of construction saw the windows installed, reflecting the Tudor dynasty's power. The King's College Chapel was intended to be a symbol of royal piety and power. Henry VI wanted it to be a place of worship and a grand expression of England's religious devotion. Later monarchs, especially Henry VII and Henry VIII, saw its completion as a statement of their dynasty's legitimacy. If you ever have the opportunity to visit these beautiful windows, I highly recommend it.